Hello, everyone. Chad Erickson, Vice President of Strategy from Advice Media, here today to talk about Phase 3 of our COVID comeback plan. Now, in this phase, what we want you to do is actually start putting together all of the tactics that are really going to help you. This is the assembly piece. This is where the work comes in. Now, again, what we're looking at is a multiple phase sort of rollout. Right now, we know the vaccine is just barely getting out there. So we still call it our pre-vaccine phase. While it's getting out there, it is going to take time. It could be months before it really gets to all the masses, right? And we get that herd immunity that we've wanted for so long. So what do you want to do today? Well, first of all, you want to focus on several items with your marketing. Start with your website, though. Your website is the foundation of everything that you do. Make sure that on your website, that everything is up to date, the right messaging, with the hours, that you have the right services, products, procedures, everything that you offer is up to date. How about your staff? Is it the right staff that's on there? Work on making those updates. If there's things that are lacking or missing or something's off, fix it today. Again, your website really is critical. It is the foundation for what you do, and it creates a first impression. So when people come into your website, they're going to see that, and you want to make sure that it's working properly, pulled up on a mobile device, right? Make sure everything is there. Now, with that, you also want to check your local listings. How are you coming up with Google My Business? Are people able to find you? It wasn't too long ago when I was out and about with one of our employees, our sales reps. We were out in Thousand Oaks, and we went to an appointment. It was scheduled. We got there early, and we're calling them we can't find the suite number when we're in the office. And they said, "Oh, we moved from that location like 6 months ago." But their map listing, using Google Maps, took us to the old address. So you want to make sure that that's up to date as well as your hours that are on there. It's critical. Next, focus on reviews. This is a huge portion of what you should be doing, is making sure that you are getting lots and lots of reviews. People have a little more time right now. They're also very generous. This time of year especially, but they recognize that all businesses are struggling, and they're more likely to give you a review, but you need to ask for that. Now, many of you are already using our Review Power tool, and we highly recommend that because it's a great way to solicit the reviews via text or email, and then also manage those so that when any new review is left, you're made aware of it and can address that. But pursue as many of those new reviews as you can on Google and Facebook. Next, get your social media lined up, specials, things you want to focus on, get it all aligned, all the content, get it scheduled out. Think about your post for the next 6 months. What events are you sponsoring, if any? What specials do you want to run? Do you have any birthdays coming up? Any office anniversaries? Any other thing that's significant? You should be planning that and putting that calendar together of all your social posts. Next is email. Now, email is one of those things that just hasn't died. It's still working, and people are still looking at that. The fact is, you're reading our emails, and you see that because you see value in that. So when you provide value, people will read your emails. So with your emails, you want to send out videos within that, and you can start preparing those. You can create the template you want to use. So take time with the tactics right now to get the email format the way that you want, and plan out the emails that you're going to send, again, over the next 6 to 8 months. Get everything lined up. I'm talking about the subject line, the body of it, everything that's going to go into it. Just do it. Take care of it now. There's no reason why you can't have all of those scheduled and ready to go, and save yourself a ton of hassles and time down the road of having to think about it. Do it now, brainstorm it, and make it work. Now, you might also want to look at your pay-per-click campaigns. You may want to do some research on this. In phase 2, we talked about identifying the profit centers. Where are the areas where you have the opportunity for the most profit? And this is the area that you really want to go after. So start working on a pay-per-click campaign. Again, this is your search engine marketing, your Google AdWords, Facebook ads. This is what will bring in immediate new customers to your business. But again, focus on those things that are most profitable and work on the campaign, work on the ad copy, and get everything set to go. Figure out what your budget's going to be and how that's going to come together. Part of this should all be focused around a recare campaign. I would be utilizing your office staff right now to go through your records, whether it's your CRM, your EMR, whatever it is, but understanding who maybe canceled an appointment and who have you not seen for a long period of time. Proactively reach out to them, call them, email them, target them, whatever you need to do, but reach out to them. Let them know about the safety protocols you've put into place. Let them know about any specials you have. Let them know that you miss them. You want to see them again. But that is a group that we would call low-hanging fruit. They are there. They're ready for you. They're already familiar with you. So you just need to reach out to them again and let them know what you have going on. That is the big deal. So again, that's what I want you to focus on right now here in phase 3, are getting all these tactics ready. Again, we're in this pre-vaccine phase where it's just coming out. So right now is the time to lay the groundwork for everything that we're going to launch in phase 4. If you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help you. Again, go back and review the COVID comeback document where we outline all of these elements there for you as well. We look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care.